Where You Lead, I Will Follow, a great tune by Carole King. I know it from the album Tapestry, but a lot of people know it from the Gilmore Girls. This is a request from my good friend Janet, who has stuck by me through thick and thin, even though I don't really know if we went to kindy together or not. This is for you, Janet. So it's a pretty simple song in the key of C, which is awesome. So we've got your C chord. I've taken to using my pinky for the C chord in this one because we're doing a lot of F to C. So you can play F with the finger up there on the C chord. So the main rhythm is that's the intro. So we've got down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. I'm putting a little bit of a chuck in there too. So it's really down, 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 up, chuck, up, down, down, up, chuck, up, down, down, up, chuck, up. And of course the up is changing on the C chord. So that's why if I keep my pinky there, I don't have to be moving around all the time. The other chords of the song are all chords that are diatonic to the C major scale. You have a E minor, a D minor, an A minor, and this is the only one that's actually not diatonic, a D7. Whoops, I forgot you're going to need these chords as well. C major 7, A minor 7, G, and G sus4. You know them though, don't you? This is the first YouTube video I've made in such a long time, and it's because I've been working on my own website. So you can go to the chords page and use the search function there to find songs. You could enter in decade, genre. You could even just go for the name of the song, it'll probably come up. You can use artist. You can go by difficulty. It's a really cool resource and I'm so proud of it. You know, I love my Patreon page and thank you all my Patreon supporters, and don't worry, you're not going to miss out just because I've got a new website. But this thing helps people to find things more easily, because the one complaint that I've had all along with Patreon is that it's hard to find stuff. It's getting better, actually, I have to say. But I just really wanted to have a great search function, and this is what I've done. Now, the cool thing is, once you've found your song, and you've got your chords in front of you, you can then change the key if you like. You can change the spelling, so it can be in sharps or flats. And the other cool thing is that most often there's a YouTube video lesson at the bottom of the chord sheet. So not only can you find the song you want, you can get tips on how to play it.
Ukulele.com, your new best ukulele resource.
So let's get in there and do a playthrough.
Wanting you the way I do, I only want to be with you, and I would go to the ends of the earth, 'cause darling, to me that's what you're worth. Where you lead, never thought I could get satisfaction from just one man. But if anyone can keep me happy, you're the one who can. Where you lead, I will follow. Anywhere that you tell me to. If you need me to be with you, I will follow. Oh, where you lead, I will follow. Anywhere that you tell me to. If you need me to be with you, I will follow where you lead. Oh, baby. Ooh, I'm gonna follow where you lead. I'm gonna follow, oh, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna follow where you lead. I'm gonna follow, sugar. I'm gonna follow where you lead. I'm gonna follow, oh, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna follow where you lead. I'm gonna follow where you, yeah.
Of course, to help this video reach more people like you, give it a thumbs up, share me with your friends, leave me a comment down below because you know I love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks Janet for requesting this tune. Thanks for sticking around all the way to the end of the video. I'm still giving out gold stars and you're getting one right now. See you in the next one.
For now's the time to close your eyes